Many people try to heal while their energy is low. They add supplements, they try therapies, but nothing changes because healing requires energy. I often meet people who say, I'm doing everything right, but they're exhausted. That exhaustion is a clue. The body is conserving energy. What's the science behind all of that? Inside every cell are mitochondria, the energy production machine. Their job is to produce ATP, which is the molecule that powers cellular activity. ATP fuels repair, fuels detoxification, fuels the immune responses, and fuels tissue regeneration. When mitochondrial function slows, energy production declines. The body prioritizes survival instead of repair. Why does energy decline? Cellular energy can decline due to chronic inflammation, oxidative stress, mineral depletion, mitochondrial strain. When energy drops, the body enters conservation mode. This is why fatigue often appears before other symptoms. What is the sequence? Healing follows a biological order: hydration, structure, energy. Only when these foundations stabilize can regeneration begin. Trying to repair tissues while energy is low is like trying to rebuild a house during a power outage. Nothing moves forward. When cellular energy improves, inflammation decreases, repair accelerates, recovery becomes possible. Energy is not just about feeling better. Energy enables healing.